How'd you sleep, Gonzo?
Fine, like a baby. Like a baby in a cradle.
What about you, Jules?
I didn't sleep at all.
What's wrong? What happened?
It's shaky and loud, and you wake up every 2 minutes. I thought, like at 2:30, I thought, yay, it's morning, finally I can go off bed. And then look, oh shit, the whole night to come.
So you like living on a boat on the middle of a reef?
It's great, love it.
Love it. Did you sleep like a starfish?
Like a starfish?
Yeah, so you have all your hands out, like arms and legs out like a starfish.
No,
and that way
is sleeping next to me. I don't have space for that.
And then you
like this.
and then you don't roll, you see? Yeah.
Next time I'll do that.
Yeah, you
I'm
got
gonna, like,
yeah.
punch it and make his face.
That's it.
She doesn't care.
That's it. How did you sleep, Margarita?
Really, really good.
No, you didn't. Liar! Quiet! All I wanted was 10 knots, just for one day, to check out the channel. And it's blowing its tits off. Well, it's not quite blowing its tits off. It's blowing the bra off. The tits are soon to follow. We'll get there. We'll have tits blowing all over the place. All the girls on the boat won't have any tits. Oh, don't die, Margarita. What's wrong? Margarita didn't sleep either. The only person that slept is Gonzo. He's the only responsible captain on the boat today. He won't hit a reef. I'll go, oh look, reef. Why, Lord? Why? What have I done in the last 6 minutes to upset you? Don't count the rest of my life. If you did, well, I can understand my current predicament. But in the last 6 minutes, besides the blasphemy, besides me swearing to you, what have I done? Hey, Jules, we're having a bit of lunch, and then we're going to launch the drone. It's only 20 knots. Should be good. Do you think it's all going to be okay?
It's all going to be okay.
You don't think anything's going to go wrong?
No way. It's all going to be perfect.
So we've got 20 knots. We've got a drone that... how fast can the drone go?
20 knots?
20 knots? Done. Okay, there's a coincidence. We got 20 knots. So we got first criteria matched. What could go wrong?
Nothing.
Margarita, anything could go wrong?
We'll be perfect.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, I'll be there to film everything.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm a realist. I'm not a pessimist. I'm a realist. I suspect that it will not be hunky-dory, but we'll see in 5 minutes. Okay, we set up this. This is our landing platform for Gonzo's drone. What can go wrong? I mean, I ask you, what can possibly go wrong? Nothing. Coming in. Everyone run away! What can go wrong?
Aye, aye.
You want to hide? You want to hide? Hide.
I'm already out. Yeah.
Hey, Catalpa! It's a very beautiful pen. What I need you to do, Gonzo,
Oh, come on.
no, I want you to do it all over now. That was good. That was very successful.
Oh, I wish I did like you.
How disappointing. That was very successful.
I thought it was fun playing. I thought it would come straight into my face.
What you doing, Peter? What you doing? Tell us what you're doing.
Is this flashing?
Yes.
Because I don't know when the camera's on or off, and I forget when I turn it on. So I got to look for something shiny on my gun to see if it's flashing. See the shit I have to do just to get good videos? Well, actually, to get videos? Far out! It's definitely flashing?
Yeah.
Well, that's not going to work. But, stay tuned. It's going to be gun cam soon. Gun cam number 2.
And it fall.
Oh, that's part of gun cam. You don't have to see that. It's all good.